Guys, today we are gonna install the TP-link Kasa smart Wi-Fi switch. So we got it unpacked here. Here is the faceplate, and here is the switch itself, and here is the tools that are required and installed. And then here is the old switch, and here is the screw we just removed. Now we're gonna remove this. Now you gotta remove the two screws, one in the top and one in the bottom. We have gotten the screws open, and here is the wiring for it in the back. Now we have to remove the wiring screws. We checked the currents, so the one with the red cap is neutral, while this one both are ground, both are power. So we gotta find a way to install the other one because the other one has 4 wires. Okay, so now we got it plugged in. These are the ones here. The power comes in. Here it leaves, and then these are neutral, and this is ground. You got it plugged in, and also please make sure that you have the breaker off. It's actually pretty dangerous if we don't turn the breaker off. Next step is put it together, put it in, and put the 2 screws, and then connect it with the app and see if it works. Got it plugged in, screwed in. Now it works. It turns on the light and also turns it off. We just gotta set it up in the app and get it running, and hopefully it'll work. For now it works. Got it connected to the Wi-Fi and with the app, and now once we press it, see, it turns on the light, and when we repress the power button, it will turn off. You can also set schedules, which will automatically turn it on and off. So it's a pretty cool thing. We got the upper bracket connected to it, and it looks pretty good, and it works. So yeah, and then we can also control it from our phones, and then it also works with Google Assistant or Alexa. You got connected, and we can use control it using your voice.